Ever feel like your money disappears faster than a blunt at a Snoop Dogg concert? You're not alone. Bills pile up, surprise expenses pop up, and suddenly your bank account is looking drier than the Sahara. Fear not, my friends, because there's an app out there claiming to help you get those finances in check. It's called Snoop, and yes, it has the DOGGS blessing. But is this app the real deal, or is it all smoke and mirrors? The Snoop Dogg connection. Now, some of you might be wondering, Snoop Dogg? Isn't he, busy being a legend? Absolutely. But Snoop's also a smart businessman. He knows the struggle is real, especially for young folks just starting out. That's where the Snoop app comes in. It aims to be your financial guru, your digital money mentor, guiding you through the jungle of personal finance. Is it free? Let's break it down. All right. The question you've all been waiting for, is this Snoop app a free ride? The answer, like most things in life, ain't so black and white. Here's the skinny. The core features of Snoop, tracking your spending, setting budgets, and getting insights into where your money goes, are completely free. Hallelujah. You can connect your bank accounts, categorize your transactions, entertainment category for those concert tickets, and see your financial situation laid bare. Snoop's got your back, for a price. But Snoop offers a premium version called Snoop Plus, and that's where things get interesting. This upgrade unlocks some additional features, like setting custom spending categories, perfect for tracking that shoe collection, receiving refund alerts, because who doesn't love getting money back? And even bill negotiation tools. Think of it as Snoop sending his homie over to your cable company to see if they can cut you a deal. Free versus Plus, is the upgrade worth it? So, the free version is a solid start, but Snoop Plus offers some serious firepower for those who want to take their budgeting game to the next level. Here's how to decide. Freebie fanatic? If you're comfortable with basic budgeting and don't mind doing some manual categorization, the free version is a great option. You can still track your spending, identify areas to cut back, and get a handle on your finances. Power user in the making? For those who crave ultimate control and want all the bells and whistles, Snoop Plus might be worth the upgrade. The ability to hyper-personalize your budgeting experience and potentially save money on bills can be a game changer. The verdict, Snoop keeps it real, mostly. Look, Snoop isn't a magic bullet. It won't make your money magically multiply, although that would be DOGG awesome. But it is a user-friendly tool that can help you gain control of your finances. The free version is a great starting point, and the Plus version offers valuable features for those who want to dig deeper. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Remember, consistent budgeting habits are key, regardless of which version you choose. Snoop can be your partner in financial crime fighting, but you gotta put in the work to see results. Final thoughts, don't be a foolish playa with your money. So, is the Snoop app legit? We say yes. It's a free, or affordable, way to take charge of your finances and avoid becoming a cautionary tale of overspending. Just remember, financial responsibility is the ultimate key to success. Use Snoop wisely, and you might just find yourself ballin' on a budget, Snoop Dogg style. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep it real.